Now, some time ago, I created a video guide on making a Warangan solution from Railga. In one of the steps, I mentioned the addition of Babonan. Now, for those who might not know, Babonan is a term for a Warangan solution that has become completely inert through repeated use. It is considered the mother of the Warangan solution. Despite being inert, Babonan still serves an essential purpose as a catalyst in producing new Warangan, speeding up the process along the way. But what if you do not have any Babonan solution? Simply put, it will take longer for the solution to turn into usable Warangan without Babonan. You will need to let the Railga and filtered fermented lime juice sit undisturbed for at least 3 months. Personally, I prefer leaving it alone for 6 months. After this period, a workaround I use to trigger the reaction is to add some powdered iron to the mix. The ratio I recommend is 10 grams for every 1 liter of Warangan solution. Then, leave this to sit for another 3 to 6 months. After that, you can filter the Warangan and start using the mix. Over time, the Warangan will darken. At this point, you will need to explore and adjust the mix accordingly. Initially, your Warangan will react with your blade, but it might not stick and could wash away upon rinsing. You will need to make micro adjustment by either adding more lime juice or using the Keris blade as a catalyst to darken the Warangan mix. In my experience, the Warangan mix works well best after 1 year of preparation. Anything earlier, and you likely won't get the desired outcome. Here is my Warangan batch that I produced 2 years back, and this one I just made about 2 months ago. Look at the difference. It takes a lot of patience to produce quality Warangan, but the results are definitely worth it.